Yo, what's up? So, I'm back home, clearly, you can probably tell. And we got home last week, didn't do any recording, last Friday technically. Was around, and then we left on last Tuesday, so 6 days ago, 7 days ago, to head to North Carolina. We went there, we did the training. Hopefully this mic isn't too quiet. We went there, we did the training, we got back Saturday morning, I think. No. Yeah, I think. And then it's the next week. So we're here, we're going to be starting all of our partnership development stuff full time. And yes, if the audio is weird, I couldn't be bothered to find a cable for my mic. It's buried in my luggage somewhere. I don't care. Yeah, so we're here. I've got my whole 5-page list of supporters and people to go through, and we're going to start getting on that here soon. But before we do that, here's all of the footage from my drive that I recorded, because you know I'm not going to leave you guys without cool videos. But yeah, it's a little daunting, a little something, but let's see. Oh yeah, here's the footage. Let me show you that real quick. So here's what this looks like on my screen. So here's me packing, here's that, here's me leaving at 9 p.m., and here's all the footage throughout the country. Now, I'm not just going to show you thumbnails, I'm actually going to show you the footage, so here's that, and I'm going to start getting prepped for my phone calls, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. And yes, I know it's really weird coloring right now. I think my auto white balance is a little screwy, so yeah, enjoy the footage. Alright, so as you saw in the bit I just filmed, today's packing day, and I'm currently waiting on my car to warm up because I just started it, but we're going to drive around back and lay the seats down and get this party started. So yeah, once the car warms up, we'll drive around back, and then I'll show you guys kind of what it's going to do. It's going to be really tight. It's going to be a really tight fit. These seats are going to go down. Obviously, the seat I'm in is going to move forward some. This seat's going to move forward because the AC is going to go back there. And then toolbox, drawers, TV, bicycle, all my college books, all my clothes, everything back there and up here in the passenger seat. So that's great. So I will see you guys at the back of the house in a second. Alright, let's get this party started, shall we?
когда в конце хочешь себе помочь. В попытках исправить ты теряешься. Снаружи спокойно, изнутри боль. Из-за того, что я был болен тобой. Из-за того, что был потерян контроль. На душе зима, сохраняю холод. Соседи в курсе всех ссор. И снова нарушен сон. Шкала чувств на ней